Imagine you have an existing Google Sheet document like this one, where I have some records about staff availability and colors. I want to automate the process of updating that data using a current Excel workbook. As you can see in this side, I have more staff records and more colors, and I want to take that data and upload it into this existing Google Sheet. When we say an existing Google Sheet, what we mean is a document identified by this unique ID. I'll switch to Visual Cut and run this report. In this case, it's just a dummy report because I'm not exporting from a Crystal report to Excel. I'm using an existing Excel workbook that is maintained by some staff. I'm using a VC skip export to avoid actual exporting, and all the magic occurs here in this command line argument that says take this Excel file, use this unique ID, and when you upload the data, take care of auto-fitting the column widths and immediately open in the browser. So I'll run this process, and it should open the updated document in my browser. The process finished very quickly, and I have the fresh data. If I go back to Visual Cut, I can see the progress report. The process took 2 seconds. It also took care of emailing, and Visual Cut creates a special token called Google Sheets URL that I can embed inside the email message. You can see it here, and you can embed it by simply double-clicking the token name. And then when you preview, you get the URL so the person who receives the email can open it directly. Now, to demonstrate a case where we're creating a Google Sheet from scratch, let's run this report, and it has almost 3,700 records. We're exporting to data to insert.xlsx and directing Visual Cut to take that file and create a new file on Google Sheets with the same name. We're not specifying the unique ID because we don't have a document ID yet. We'll run the process. And we get the result here. If we go back to Visual Cut, we can see that in this case it took 8 seconds instead of just 2. And here is the resulting email.